Hello guys! Another day here in Canada at gagawa tayo ng tonghulo. So tawagin na natin yung mga bata. Nagpakulo na rin ako ng asukal na may tubig. There, kumukulo na siya. I think good na to para sa tonghulo. Tignan natin kung success tayo. So guys, tonghulo is ready.
Make my YouTube channel na.
Okay. So, let's try first. Ooh, pababain muna natin, nak. Okay, this is yours, Riley. Anak, this is yours. Okay, ilagay mo na sa ice. Okay, babad mo muna. No need to make it ikot.
Okay, is it done?
I think it's good. Try na. Tignan natin yung success.
Oh!
Is it crunchy? Oh! Oh my God.
First time trying my favorite.
That's so good.
You wanna try cherry?
It's so crunchy, Mommy. See, I told you.
Kailangan lang maging ano.
Tanglu's the best.
Patient, and you have to stir it.
Yeah, sa pag-iintay para ano.
Look
Oh
down.
my God. Oh, Sydney, try this. Wait, babad pa natin. Can you try that? Oh my God. Crunchy siya. Hindi mo naman nalagyan, nak eh. Can I try? You be careful ha, hot to. Uy,
Don't touch it.
mainit anak ko ha. Baka maano ka.
Bro! Where is it?
Okay, first try.
Oh, it feels burned. Bro,
Parang
this
banana
tastes
Q.
Yeah.
better.
Do you know what is banana Q, anak? It's very yummy.
This is the best snack so far. I already finished one.
Wow, perfect ang ulo.
I'm not going off.
It's her first time making it, and she made it perfect.
Me
Yeah.
too.
So good.
Ito sa Riley, oh. Teka lang.
I'm gonna get another one.
Oh, this is for you.
Ah, drop it. Okay, put it on my phone.
No need then.
Put it in there. Bullseye, guys, that's awesome. Mommy, make my YouTube channel now, please.
Okay. Say bye na. Oh, one last bite for my TikTok.
One last one.
That's crunchy. Again, show them.
Ma, please, I want my YouTube channel. Stop falling in the
Okay,
ice.
so bye guys. Success sa tonghulo. Bye.